Today we're looking at part number TPU-EQE1. This is your most common equalizer for tandem axles with double I springs. This equalizer, from bolt to bolt, center bolt to center bolt, is 7 3/4, and from top bolt, center to center, it's going to be 4 3/4. The overall length of this is going to be right at 9 inches. This is going to be your most common equalizer around, commonly used on 3,500 pound axles, 5,200 pound axles, 6,000 pound axles, and even 7,000 pound axles. Pretty much any axles that use the 1 3/4 inch wide double I springs, this is going to be your most common equalizer out there. And you can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.